Our today's topic is lesson number 1, heredity and evolution. We will understand this term heredity first because this entire lesson is based on what is heredity and how it takes place. So, heredity means transfer of characters from one generation to the other. We living things, plants, animals, we also come under animals, so we get our characters from our parents. We do not look exactly like our parents, but we do resemble them in some or the other feature. What does this mean? This means that we get something from our parents, from our grandparents, that is similar between them and us. These are called as characters. Now, there was a scientist called Johann Gregor Mendel. He has done a very important work to explain heredity, and he had done many tremendous experiments in plants and in animals to explain this heredity. And he was very successful in his work, and because of his work, nowadays we are able to understand heredity and evolution of human beings. So Gregor Mendel is considered as pioneer of modern genetics. After Gregor Mendel, there were many more scientists who have done work in research to explain heredity, how characters are transferred from our parents to the next generation. So, out of those many scientists, there were a few who could actually give a proof of their work, and their theories, their findings were accepted. So, in the year 1944, Oswald Avery, Maclean McCarthy, and Colin MacLeod, these are the names of scientists. They were able to explain that DNA is a genetic material. There is something called as DNA present in the nucleus of our cell, and this is a genetic material. Genetic material means it carries the characters, it controls our characters, and this DNA is transformed from one generation to the other. They were able to explain this. Then later on in 1961, there was a geneticist. Geneticist means somebody who studies genes or genetics. So his name was Francois Jacob and his colleague Jack Monod. These two, in the year 1961, were able to explain that inside our body, in the nucleus of our cell, proteins are produced, proteins are synthesized, and this is with the help of DNA. And they could explain this with the help of experiment which they had done on bacteria. So this was again true and it is accepted.